So you just upgraded your Jira instance, and after the upgrade, you also have to take care of your apps, your add-ons. Now, usually when you upgrade those apps or add-ons, you will maybe take a look at the apps that were installed earlier, and you maybe try to search them on the marketplace for the new version. And you may encounter a situation where you might not find some of those apps. For example, today I was looking at this question on the community from Vijaya, and Vijaya is asking about we are migrating the Jira from old server to new server and trying to install plugins same as old Jira, but couldn't find the below plugins in marketplace. Now, this is very common when you have to, let us say, find these apps. If you don't find them, what I recommend is you take a look at the key of those apps, or maybe do a quick search. And there is a way to do it. Usually if you search for the add-on name on the internet, you will find some clue. And the reason is that these plugins that you can't find anymore, these might be already bundled with your Jira instance, and that is why you can't find them and you don't need to install them. Now, if I show you my Jira instance, let us take a look at this. Let us start from the first one, automation module. Now, when you go to the manage app section, if you search for automation module, you might not find anything if you have the second drop down selected as user installed. But if you change it to all apps, you will find something like this, service desk automation module. And if you expand it, you will find the same module. The same is true or can be true for something like, let us say, query DSL. And if you search for this app, this plugin, you will find it in your Jira instance, and you will realize that this is basically now bundled, and it will appear under the application components. So this is something that I wanted to talk about today, because usually people get confused and they scratch their heads wondering what happened with those apps, why those apps are no longer there. It can happen, to be honest. I mean, there can be a situation where, let us say, if you are migrating or upgrading from a very old version of Jira to latest version or recent version of Jira, there might be a case where you won't find those apps anymore because those apps are not supported, or the vendors, they are not really continuing the work, though no further development is done. And that is why you should try to upgrade your Jira instance. You should try to upgrade. I'm saying trying, not really saying that you should always, but try to upgrade your Jira instance while it is still in maintenance, while you still have some maintenance left. Always look for the end of support date of your Jira instance, and this is something that will really help you. And if you keep if you keep your Jira instance updated, then you will not be surprised by these missing apps or add-ons. And that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.